Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step the easiest way how you can add a description under your name on Discord. So what you want to do, you want to go to the Discord app, open it, and then go ahead and go to your account at the top down. So when you go to your profile picture here, this comes up. Here are the user settings. Then what you want to do, go to set status, and now it's set to do not disturb on my account. And we are going to add a custom description. So you want to set a custom status, and this is basically the custom description under your name. So we can say at work as an example. You can do it for 4 hours, 1 hour, don't clear, or in 30 minutes. So let's say 1 hour, then hit next and save. And now this is the description under my name for 4 hours, but you can also do it permanently. This is basically how you can do that. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.